In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply transitions in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right transition, fine-tune its behavior, and control exactly when your slides advance for a smooth, professional presentation. Start by opening your presentation and clicking the slide you want to control. Remember, transitions happen between slides. They're the animation that brings the next slide onto the screen. So when you pick a slide, you're really choosing how that slide will appear during your slideshow. Next, head to the Transitions tab on the ribbon at the top. This is your command center for all transition effects. You'll see a gallery of options, and when you click one, PowerPoint applies it instantly to the selected slide so you can see how it looks. Now choose the transition that matches your tone. Fade is a great, subtle choice that feels smooth and professional. Push moves the new slide in from a direction, which adds motion without being too flashy. Wipe reveals the next slide across the screen, and split reveal or random bars create more dynamic effects if you're going for something bolder. If you don't see what you want, click the small down arrow in the gallery to expand the full list. After you pick an effect, customize it using the timing group on the right. Effect options lets you change the direction or style of the transition, for example, from left, right, up, or down. Duration controls the speed. A shorter time like 1/10 feels snappy, while 3 seconds is slower and more dramatic. You can also add a sound, but use this sparingly so it enhances instead of distracts. Consistency across similar slides helps keep your audience focused. If you want the same look throughout your presentation, click Apply to All. This copies the transition, its direction, duration, and settings to every slide. If not, you can fine-tune different slides individually for emphasis. Decide how slides should advance. On mouse click gives you manual control during your talk. After let slides change automatically after a set time, handy for kiosk displays or timed sequences. You can enable both if you want slides to move automatically but still allow a click to proceed sooner. When you're ready to see it in action, click Preview on the left side of the Transitions tab, or simply click the slide to watch the effect play. Make quick adjustments until the timing and motion feel just right, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.